Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, in my previous video, I discussed linking verbs. If you have not watched this video, then the link is in description. Today we will discuss helping verb. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, Voice of Absar yet, then please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. In this way, you will not miss any notification from this channel. First of all, helping verb. Helping verbs are also called auxiliary verb. Helping verb को auxiliary verb भी कहा जाता है. उसके बाद इस वर्ब का फंक्शन क्या होता है? What is the function of this verb? The use of this verb is to help the main verb. इसका मकसद मेन वर्ब को मदद फराहम करना है, सपोर्ट फराहम करना है. यानी कि ये बताएगा व्हाट इज वॉइस, व्हाट इज मूड एंड व्हाट इज टेंस. दिस हेल्पिंग वर्ब हेल्प्स अस टू जज द वॉइस ऑफ सेंटेंस, मूड ऑफ सेंटेंस एंड टेंस. There are certain helping verbs that I have written all there. Is, am, are, was, were, be, been, been, be, has, have, had, do, does, did, done, would, shall, should, may, might, must, can, could. Now, how can we manage these verbs? Actually, whenever the hint is be, for example, he, be, going to school yesterday. From yesterday, we gather that it is the top. It has been happened in the past. So the be is in the hint, and we will write was going to school yesterday. In this way, you may use this. अब आपको मैं बताता हूं कि be है क्या. Actually, be means is, am, are, was, were. Was, were is determined with been, and has, have, had, they all determined with been. यानी कि फर्स्ट फॉर्म be is, am, are, सेकंड फॉर्म been, was, were, थर्ड फॉर्म been again, has, have, had. This is for today's lesson. I hope you understood it. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.